Are you struggling to see your test results in TFS 2015 after running your tests? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue and help you get those results displayed correctly. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you execute your tests and then find out that the results are missing from the build summary. It can feel like all your hard work has gone unnoticed. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "Why are my test results not appearing in TFS 2015 after running the command .NET test with the TRX logger?" This is a common issue, and we're here to find a solution together. So what could be causing this? It often comes down to configuration issues or the way TFS is set up to handle test results. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will ensure your test results are always visible in TFS. To begin resolving the issue with test results not appearing in the build summary, the user should ensure that the test results file is being published correctly to TFS. This can be done by specifying the results file path in the build definition. Next, the user should modify the build definition to include a step that publishes the test results. This step is crucial for TFS to recognize and display the test results in the build summary. After that, the user needs to ensure that the test results are being generated in the correct format. The user should verify that the command used to run the tests is producing the expected output. Finally, the user should run the build again and check the build summary for the test results. If everything is set up correctly, the test results should now appear. Fun fact: did you know that the first automated tests were run in the 1950s? Testing has come a long way since then, but the struggle to see results can still be real. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using the Publish Test Results task to make your generated TRX files visible in TFS. This task will help you upload the test results after running your tests. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your build definition settings and ensure that the test results file path is correctly specified. This simple step can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to see your test results in TFS 2015. Remember, keeping your build definitions updated is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.